Good morning, everybody. Today is a little different. Today we opening up majorettes. So y'all like to collect some of everything. So today we're gonna crack open some majorettes. Man, these things is tough to open a little. Right here, Nissan GTR. Doors open, gold rims. So that's our first one we're gonna open up. Next, Lamborghini. And that's a nice smooth Lambo in the front. Put this to the side. Let's see, next we have Porsche. 911 Porsche. I'm gonna keep my boxes. There's the Porsche right here. We got Porsche in the back. Doors open up on the side. Next we have the McLaren. There you go. Doors open up on the side. Let's see if I can. I'll get that one open up. This is a smooth McLaren right here. I'll get that other door open soon. Next, Aston Martin. Look at Aston Martin, nice yellow windows. Aston Martin in the front. Aston Martin on the side. Both doors open. And it's smooth right there. Aston Martin in the back. Next, blue Porsche. Doors open on the side also. Front. Let's see here. Next, Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang, horse on the side, Mustang in the front. There's the back. Doors open. Let's see what else we got. Next, I'll open up another Porsche. This one, hood open, both doors open on the side. Yeah, it's a nice one. Let's see what else we got. Another Porsche. Bugatti. I keep the boxes. Woo, look at the paint job on this Bugatti. Doors open up. Bugatti in the back. Another Porsche. Another Bugatti, different color, Pinkslips. Number in the front, Bugatti in the back, and I believe the hood open on this one. It's a nice color. Next, Toyota. My boxes are starting to fall. Toyota. This one's okay. What else we have? Porsche. Mercedes Benz next. Hold on. Woo. Black Mercedes Benz. Look at the grill, the side, the rims. Split at six. Yeah, 6 spokes. Mercedes Benz in the back. Up next, Jeep Wrangler, Pinkslips. Gotta love these Pinkslips. Look at that pink window in the front, side, back. Let's see what else. Chevrolet, Audi. Up next, Mercedes Benz, Mercedes Maybach, Pinkslips. Hood pop open, Mercedes in the front, Mercedes in the back. That's pretty decent. Let's see what else I'm gonna open up. Look at this Porsche 911 Majorette. That's a nice color. Windows pop open. Porsche in the back. Nice color. I'm almost done. Let's see what else Pinkslips. Mercedes Benz. Oh, it's a nice color. Black top, Mercedes in the front, Mercedes in the back, hood open. Let's see what else I got. Hummer, Pinkslips. Nice green color. Hummer in the back. Let's see. What almost done. Another Porsche. Showing everybody the cars. Chevrolet Majorette. These the cars I can collect it.
Dad, which car do you like?
All of them.
A car I like is this one,
Chevrolet.
this one,
Okay.
and this one.
With the red steering wheel. This pretty dope. Yeah, Corvette's nice. Okay, let's see. I'm almost done. I think I'm gonna open up.
That one, because that one looks cool. No, that orange one.
Okay, last two. I'm gonna open up the Audi and the Toyota.
How about you get a Baby Yoda one?
Nah.
I hear there is a Baby Yoda one. And
Is
I
that
think you
black?
can do this one.
Black and gold.
This one looks nice.
Here's the Audi. Trying to open up as many as I can. I have so many, I didn't get a chance to show. Here's the Audi right there, black and green, with the Audi on the side. Oh, buddy, not that one.
And you're never going to open these ones?
Ford Mustang. Make this quick. Here's the Porsche.
And a normal Hot Wheel.
I'm gonna open this one up right here. Porsche 917. There we go. Here's a nice one. Porsche Candy Stripes. Look like a candy cane.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
The back open.
And this one, I think.
Alright, that's
Okay, let's.
another Porsche.
Good, that one looks cool. That one looks cool.
Orange Mercedes Benz.
That one looks cool.
I'm gonna open up this last one.
Cool. And that's it.
Yeah, this will be the last one.
And that's it.
Open more later.
No best.
There you go. Orange Mercedes Benz.
That this one looks cooler.
Mercedes Benz in the front. All right, everyone. This is all my cars that I open up. Majorettes and Pinkslips. Thanks for watching.